A mission extended, technical issues and unexpected delays. Astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore embarked on an 8-day mission to the ISS on June 5, 2024. Their journey began aboard Boeing's Starliner. However, unforeseen technical malfunctions extended their stay to 6 months. The Starliner encountered a series of technical issues. A helium leak was detected early into the mission. This posed a significant risk to their safe return. Further complications arose with the Starliner's thrusters. NASA engineers worked tirelessly to address the issues. The safety of Williams and Wilmore remained the top priority. Williams and Wilmore demonstrated exceptional resilience. They adapted to the unexpected extension with dedication and focus. Health in orbit, addressing concerns and ensuring astronaut well-being. The extended duration of the mission naturally raised concerns about the health of Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore. Public attention was particularly drawn to Williams's appearance in images relayed from the ISS, with some observers noting a sunken look. NASA swiftly addressed these concerns, emphasizing that Williams was in outstanding health. The space agency clarified that the perceived changes in Williams's appearance were attributed to the well-documented effects of fluid shifts in the human body while in the microgravity environment of space. Regular health assessments conducted throughout the mission confirmed both astronauts' well-being. Medical teams on Earth maintained constant communication with Williams and Wilmore, closely monitoring their vital signs and providing remote medical support as needed. Despite the unforeseen challenges posed by the mission extension, NASA's comprehensive approach to astronaut health effectively mitigated any potential risks. The agency's commitment to transparency and open communication with the public also played a crucial role in addressing concerns and ensuring confidence in the astronauts' safety and well-being. Space cuisine: the challenges of nutrition in microgravity. One of the unique aspects of living in space is the need for specialized nutrition. Astronauts aboard the ISS require a carefully balanced diet to maintain their health and energy levels. However, the microgravity environment poses significant challenges to food preparation and consumption. The astronauts' diet primarily consists of a combination of fresh and processed foods. Fresh produce, a valuable source of essential vitamins and nutrients, is limited due to the logistical challenges of transporting and storing perishable items in space. Consequently, much of the astronauts' food is pre-packaged and preserved to extend its shelf life. Food preparation aboard the ISS involves rehydrating, freeze-dried meals, and heating pre-cooked items. The absence of gravity necessitates innovative approaches to prevent food from floating away. Meals are often consumed from pouches, with astronauts carefully guiding food to their mouths to avoid creating crumbs that could clog air filters or sensitive equipment. To ensure adequate nutrition, each astronaut has a personalized meal plan tailored to their specific calorie and nutrient requirements. These plans are carefully designed by NASA nutritionists to account for the unique physiological demands of living and working in microgravity. Return to Earth, a successful conclusion to an extended stay. After an unexpectedly long stay in space, Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore returned to Earth on March 18, 2025. Their journey home began with a handover to the Crew 10 astronauts who arrived at the ISS on March 15th. This changing of the guard marked the end of their remarkable mission. Williams and Wilmore boarded a SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule, marking a stark contrast to their initial launch aboard the Boeing Starliner. The Crew Dragon, having proven its reliability in previous missions, provided a safe and efficient means of transporting the astronauts back to Earth. The return journey culminated in a successful splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico. Upon their return, Williams and Wilmore were met by a dedicated team of medical professionals and support staff who assisted them in readjusting to Earth's gravity. The successful completion of Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore's extended mission stands as a testament to the indomitable spirit of human exploration and the unwavering commitment to astronaut safety.